Hey mate, it's Gary here, just giving you a video as requested, just to point out any marks on the Commodore before it leaves to go to Devonport Wharf today. I'm just going to go around and point out what I can see. So just down here I've got a little scratch just there. There's a stone chip here. Just go down along the driver's side. So your wheels, I'll just get onto those so you can see it's only got that really light scuffing around the edges, which is almost barely noticeable. A little bit more on that one spoke just there. I'll go down the side of the car. So this side of the car is quite nice and tidy. Rear wheel hasn't got a mark on it. Oh, it's got one little one just up in there. Just on the top part. It's hard to see with the camera, but it's there. Just a little mark just there. You've got just your normal bit of scratching on this bar here. A little mark just there. That's really light, that is. It's almost rubbing off with my finger, it is actually, but it's there. Scuffing on the wheels here. Just a really light little scratch in here, which is very, very light again. Scuffing on the wheels here. Just really light some scratches there. This one too. And then just through the bonnet here. Not the bonnet, sorry. The front guard. Not a lot. Just your normal like stone chip marks here and here. That's just the stone chip stuff, so, and they've been touched up as well. So, yeah, the bonnet. There's nothing on the bonnet. I think it's good there. So, the windscreen. It's only got like your little chippy stuff over this side, very light chips though. But they're there just to point out. It's got little chips on the just there. Actually never noticed that before. Oh, helps if I unlock it, I suppose. Then inside is like neat as inside, so we'll just go through that. So in case you get any stains or any marks on the seat from the truck drivers or anything, but it's tidy as you can see, all through there. Doors tidy, trim. I'll go through each door just so you can see. And it's got floor mats in it as well, full set. Got your books, all your books are in here. So all your books are there, and the 2 keys are in my hand, so your 2 keys are there as well, so it's all together. Okay, I'll start it up as well. Whoa. Right. Oh. Just so you've got the K's before it leaves here, yeah? So we've just got to drive it over to the wharf. It's probably 6 K's maybe to get there. It's not far. But everything's all in working order, aircon. So yeah, that's everything.